Hello everyone. Good morning children. Today we are going to learn about chapter number 4, that is fun with tools. Okay. In this chapter we are going to learn what are the tools we have, how to work with those tools. Okay. See here, in this chapter we are going to learn about the selection tools, pick color tool, magnifier tool and a text tool. Okay. We are going to learn about a selection tool, pick color tool and a magnifier tool, okay, and a text tool. Next we are going to learn about a selection tool. So when we are moving to the selection tool concept, so once you finish your drawing but you need to select only the particular part, so in that case what we will do, will use either a cut or a copy concept. So in this format we have two selection tools. One is a freeform select and a rectangular select tool. So select tool is used to select the portion of the image. It is help us to select the portion of our image. Can be moved around or copied or edited without affecting the rest of the image. There are two types. One is a freeform select and rectangular select. Okay. Next is a freeform select. It is used to select the pictures of different shapes and size. Based upon our wish, it helps us to select our picture in the different shapes and size. How to use the freeform select tool? First, we need to select the freeform select tool icon. It will be looks like a star. It will be looks like a star. Okay. Left click the mouse button and drag to select the portion. See here children, now I am going to show you the freeform select tool. In order to select the freeform select tool, first you draw any shape or an image. Okay, I just draw this image. Okay, so I want to select in the form of freeform select tool. You just go to the select and select the freeform select. So based upon your wish, in any shapes or see, after selecting that part you can cut. So this is the concept of freeform select. Either you can use a cut, copy, paste to cut that particular part. And now we are going to learn about the rectangular select tool. So it will be in the form of, the tool will be looks like a rectangular shape. It is used to select the rectangular form of selection. Same thing, the usage is first you need to select the rectangular select tool icon. Later you need to left click the mouse button and drag to the select the position. Same thing, you just change your selection. You just select a rectangular selection. Use a left mouse button and drag it. See, this particular part will be selected. It will be selected in the form of rectangular. Okay. See your children, this is the procedure to select. See, currently we are using a rectangular select tool. So click the particular part. Okay, this is a rectangular select tool. Okay. Selection made are a rectangular. Okay. Now we are going to use a freeform select tool. So it will be looks like a star, no? So based upon your interest, it will be selected in any shapes and sizes. Okay. So these are the steps to select our particular image by using a freeform select tool and rectangular select tool. Next, we are going to learn about a cut, copy, paste icons. Okay, icons or commands or whatever it is. Okay, to copy the selection, we need to press a Ctrl plus C. Everyone keep it in your mind. This shortcut keys you need to keep it in your mind. Okay. To copy our selection or an image or a picture, text, whatever it is, for copy command, Ctrl plus C is a shortcut key. For cut, Ctrl plus X is the shortcut key. Okay. In order to copy or cutting, after doing a copy or cutting, we need to paste it somewhere else, right? For that purpose, we need to use a paste command. The shortcut key is Ctrl plus V. Again, I am repeating, the shortcut key for copy is Ctrl plus C. The shortcut key for cut is Ctrl plus X. For paste is Ctrl plus V. Usually, our cut, copy, paste icon will be available in a clipboard group. Okay, we have the icons. Cut icon will be looks like a scissor. Copy icon will be looks like a two papers, and the paste it will be looks like a writing pad. Okay, so these are the commands. That is the editing tools. It will be available in a clipboard group. Okay. Next, now we are going to learn about a pick color tool. What is meant by pick color tool? It helps us to choose a color from the work page. So by default we have a color box in our paint, right? So this is our color box. By using a pick color tool, see here, this is a color picker. So this is our color picker tool. So by using this, you can select any color. See. So by choosing a pick color tool, you can choose any color, and later you can choose any shape for drawing. See here, currently I choose the ash color for drawing. If I want to choose some other color, green, see here, under I'm choosing some other color like a blue. So when I'm drawing some other image, you just see the color is keep on changing, right? So this tool will help us to pick a color. Okay. Next, we are going to learn about a magnifier tool. It helps us to enlarge the particular area on the drawing board. So if you have photo in your daddy's or mommy's phone, right, what you will do, you will zoom your pic and you will see, right? So similar to that, we can zoom our image, that is enlarge our particular image in our paint. Okay, I'll show you how to enlarge. See children, this is our magnifier tool icon. Okay, see here, this is our magnifier tool icon. See, it's keep on enlarging, right? See. Okay, it's keep on enlarging. See, I'm drawing some other image. See, select a particular image and it will be keep on enlarging. So this is a magnifier tool icon. Now I am going to enlarge this particular image. See what is happening. So if I change the zooming option, what is exactly happening here, you can see here. I am enlarging this particular image. Okay. You want to click this magnifier tool icon. After choosing this icon, you need to place your cursor and you need to give a click. So the particular image will be enlarged. Next, we are going to learn about a text tool. So after drawing our image in our rough paper or in a notebook, you will write the art by. So you will write your name, no? So similar to that, we can write any alphabetics or numbers in our painting window. So text tool help us to type a alphabet numbers in a drawing area. See here, our text tool icon will be looks like a capital A. Okay, now I'll show you how to type a text in a paint. You want to select this particular icon. After selecting here, you can start typing. You can reduce your font size also. So currently I am typing hello everyone. Okay. So by using in home tab, we have a text tool icon. By pressing this icon, you can start typing in your paint. Okay. Again, I am showing here. See here children, this is our text tool. So after selecting the text tool, you can start typing. Okay. And you can change the colors also. You just look at here. If you want to change the color, you can click any color. Based upon your interest, you can change any color. From color box, that is a color palette, you can choose any color. Okay, see, I'm changing each time I'm changing the colors, right? So first is blue, second is red, right? Yes, if you want you can change the color. Okay, see what is happening here. So based upon your interest, choose any color, children. So now I am giving a tool's name. See here, this is a freeform select tool. This is a rectangular select tool. This is a pick color tool. This is a text tool. Okay, so we learned the shortcut keys, right? To move and selection. To move and selection means cut. If you are moving from one place to another, how you are not in the original position, right? So you keep on moving from one place to another means, so you change it to the some other place. So move means it is the meaning of cut. To cut a selection, we'll use a Control plus X. To copy a selection, we'll use a Control plus C. To paste a selection, we'll use a Control plus V. Okay. Now I am going to show you the textbook exercises. I request everyone to take your textbook, children. Page number 33, children. Now we are going to write our exercise part, that is a TB part. So first question, dash and dash or selection tool. We know that there are two selection tools, right? One is a free form and rectangular is, right? Free form and rectangle select tool. One is a free form and rectangle select tool. Okay, which tool selects pictures of different shapes and sizes? That is a free form select. That is a free form select tool. Okay, next, the dash allows the user to choose a color from the work page. That is a pick color tool. That is a pick color tool. Next, fourth one, the dash is used to enlarge a particular area on the drawing board. That is a magnifier tool. Okay, magnifier tool help us to enlarge the image. Okay, dash allows text to be added to a page. That is a text tool. That is a text tool. In case any doubt regarding this filling the blanks, you can refer this highlight also. You have those answers here also. Okay. Next, we are going to move to a second main, straight, true or false. There are no selection tool in MS Paint. No, we have two selection tools, right? So it is a false. Text tool is used to draw pictures. No, it is help us to type up, that is add a text to the page. So this also false. The pick color tool matches a color from the page rather than trying on the color box. True. Okay. The magnifier tool enables to view the pictures in a zoomed format. Yes, this one also true. Okay, you write it in this format only. Okay, fill in the blanks as well as true or false. Next, third main, give short keys on for the following action. Just now I explained what is the move. It is a cut. So the shortcut key for cut is Control plus X. Copy, Control plus C. Paste, Control plus V. Okay. Next, turn the next page. That is a page number 34. That is a fourth main, children. Name the tools for performing the following action. So based upon this action, we are going to name the tool. Select pictures of different shapes. Exactly, this is a free form select. Free form select tool. Copy color from one area to another. Pick color tool. Zoom your picture. Magnifier. So it helps us to enlarge our image, right? So magnifier tool. Type your name. Text tool. Select a rectangular form. It is a rectangle select tool. A rectangle select tool. Okay. So I request everyone to copy same in your TB. When I am correcting your TB, all the answers needs to be filled. Okay. These are the shortcut keys. Next, this is a fourth main, naming the tools. Okay. In case any doubt regarding the explanation part or writing a TB exercise part, please ask me in the interactive session, children. Now I am going to end my session. And one more thing, the question answer part this time we are sending through a ULO. So you can refer a ULO and you can start writing a classwork. Okay children. Thank you. Bye. Take care.